this one is the biggest concept store in the listening area, and we treated it as the flagship in Visayas, which means we give the best program, the best promo, and the best product to this store. Huawei now is really making the IoT happen in Philippines. What is IoT? Internet of Things. So this is really pioneer and different from any other brand. We have the high quality ecosystem multi-scenario products like the free buds, AirPods, like the watch, like the band, and also the tablets, the laptops, and not very cheap price, but reasonable price with very good specifications.
Kung kayo sa crowded place or medyo maingay na lugar, nag-earbud kayo or nag-free buds, i-activate nyo lang yung noise cancellation. Automatic, yung noise hindi nyo siya masyadong maririnig, but you will just hear the sounds coming from the earbud. Another highlight is yung pagka-wireless charging niya. So, pwede siya i-charge to any smartphone or to any power bank na wireless. Ipataw nyo lang siya, mag-charge na siya. And
aside from that, we also have the Huawei Band 4 series. So, sa Huawei Band 4 series natin, isa ito sa mga hot cake ni Huawei dito po. So, ano ba meron sa Huawei Band 4? Sa Huawei Band 4, it's your personal sports assistant. So, meron siyang heart rate sensor. It can notify your own notifications, and unplug lang siya, automatic it can charge, and then tapos it can do swimming as pwede din.
Sir, na. Ibig sabihin nun, we're not just marketing to the smartphone and the equipment. We also market now in the laptops. So our laptops is an ultrabook, we call it the MateBook 13. So it's a 13 inches ultrabook. It means it runs with an i5 and i7 8th generation na processor ni Intel. It has an 8GB RAM, Type 1 2 solid state drive, and also it's the world's first na multi-screen collaboration.
We will be opening our newest awesome store in Ayala, Central Mall, or Ayala Central Bloc, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, I give to the newest Huawei concept store.
Today, I'm just gonna thank you everybody. I hope that you support Huawei, and I hope that you continue supporting Aerophone. For us, what we can promise at Huawei Philippines, we will build a better product, better quality, and a better innovation for our Visayas people and for the consumer. And I do hope by next year, everybody will be very ready for our new product and our new business and our new direction.